The first ever UIDAI Aadhaar Seva Kendra ASK Ask Office for the state was opened today at Wahengbam, Leikai. The launching ceremony was attended by Manipur Home Commissioner cum Secretary and Ashok Kumar, Additional Secretary Home A. Subhash, UIDAI Regional Office Guwahati Director Colonel Abhishek Kaushik, Deputy Director General Ngachan Zimik, Imphal West Deputy Commissioner Mayanglambam Rajkumar and Imphal West SP Shivakanta. Speaking at the event, Home Commissioner cum Secretary Ashok Kumar highlighted the growing importance of Aadhaar card. He further noted that the Aadhaar Seva Kendra will greatly ease the rectification of incorrect entries and other related issues. Ashok Kumar added that the government plans to publish a state gazette regarding Aadhaar card rectifications and updates within the month of August. While noting that the state's Aadhaar enrollment saturation is only 87 to 88%, the Home Commissioner attributed this low rate to a lack of enrollment among children aged 0 to 5. He added that the government is making efforts to enhance child enrollment in consultation with the social welfare and health departments.
We have sensitized to the schools while doing the admission. They need to be more vigilant and take appropriate care in checking the name, surname, as well as the date of birth, which matches with the birth certificate, because this will avoid the difficulties in future after 5 years or 10 years when they go to the board exam. Nevertheless, I once again congratulate the team. We look forward to see these kind of facilities not stop at one. It should grow more and reach out to the more districts and more subdivisions so that our people get the benefit.
Manipur state kita yadamina dili da sabba madar card tama da chansar nai bai koi middleman ga thongla no paisa yam logi bagi pau ju ta ba du fake bai na pura pasu yaw bai koi thengna re sigi is solve tongna bai na koi state government na in consultation with GAD na koi process pai ba ore koi printing and stationery na phone ba gadget sina means the phone bai yana koi modalities usi work out tawi si yar ma matung na de koi ming ho ge poteng sai koi commissioner na jo happy ba koi gi hang ma pam gi ming ga hapsel lu gi yum pan ba de am thu e ba som ba ji si yana ba gi se koi state government gi ga koi sida do phongja ga di praja da yam na kana ba de processing na sai hai do Delhi da khangna ba lai traga di Delhi da gazette phone na ba na middleman ya am thola ga fake po pura pa yaurok po gi ge no ji ai athu ba matam da pai masi solve to ngam gani and ai koi state government side tam da process is already underway.